CHEINAUTO H11 9005 LED headlight bulbs. The CHEINAUTO H11 9005 LED headlight bulbs offer an exceptional lighting solution for automotive enthusiasts. With over 10 years of experience in the product marketing industry, I can confidently say that these bulbs will enhance your driving experience while ensuring safety on the road. One of the standout features of these bulbs is their high wattage of 80 watts. This ensures a bright and clear illumination, allowing you to see the road ahead with utmost clarity. Whether you're driving in urban areas or on the highway, these bulbs provide excellent visibility, reducing the risk of accidents and enhancing your overall driving confidence. Additionally, the CHEINAUTO H11 9005 LED headlight bulbs come in a convenient package quantity of 1. This makes it easy for vehicle owners to replace a single bulb without having to purchase unnecessary extras. It's a cost-effective and practical solution, especially for those who prefer to handle